Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Deco Diva, your go-to channel for all things home decor. I'm Sonia, and today we're diving into the enchanting world of autumn. As the leaves begin to change color and a crispness fills the air, it's time to bring that warm, cozy feeling into our homes. This video is all about transforming your kitchen and dining room into inviting spaces that reflect the beauty of fall. From rich colors to natural elements, I'll be sharing some delightful tips and tricks that will inspire you to embrace the season. If you enjoy what you see, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below to let me know your favorite autumn decor ideas. When we think of autumn, warm and earthy colors come to mind. Think deep oranges, rich browns, and golden yellows. To start decorating your kitchen and dining room, consider incorporating these hues into your color palette. You can add warm-colored table linens, such as tablecloths and runners, which will instantly create a cozy atmosphere. Additionally, consider swapping out your regular dishware for rustic, autumn-themed pieces. Opt for ceramic or earthenware in autumn shades to make your dining experience feel seasonal. Even small details like napkins and placemats in warm colors can tie the whole look together. Remember, the key is to create a harmonious palette that celebrates the beauty of fall. Autumn is the perfect time to bring the beauty of nature indoors. Incorporating natural elements into your decor can enhance the autumn vibe in your kitchen and dining room. Consider using seasonal fruits and vegetables, such as pumpkins, gourds, and apples, as centerpieces or in decorative bowls. They not only add a pop of color but also reflect the harvest season. You can even create a charming display by layering these items with some foliage, like eucalyptus or colorful leaves, for a fresh touch. Additionally, think about using twigs or branches to create rustic arrangements in vases. This organic approach will invite the essence of autumn right into your home. As the days grow shorter, soft lighting becomes essential in setting the mood for autumn. Candles are a fantastic way to add warmth and charm to your kitchen and dining room. Consider placing an assortment of candles on your dining table or kitchen counters. You can mix different heights and sizes for visual interest, and choose scents that evoke the season, think cinnamon, pumpkin spice, or apple pie. If you prefer a more permanent lighting solution, consider using warm-toned fairy lights in glass jars or around windowsills to create a whimsical effect. These elements not only illuminate your space but also contribute to a welcoming atmosphere perfect for gatherings. One of the simplest ways to refresh your kitchen and dining room for autumn is by changing your textiles. Soft, tactile fabrics can create a warm and inviting environment. Swap out your lightweight summer cushions for plush, autumn-themed ones. Look for rich textures like velvet or wool, and don't shy away from patterns like plaid or floral prints in fall colors. In the dining room, consider layering table runners with cloth napkins for a more sophisticated look. Additionally, incorporating throws or blankets on chairs can invite guests to settle in and enjoy the space. These little touches of comfort make your home feel like a haven during the chillier months. For those who love a bit of creativity, autumn is an excellent opportunity for DIY decor projects. Crafting personalized items can add a unique touch to your kitchen and dining room. One fun project is to create a fall-themed wreath using dried leaves, pine cones, and even small pumpkins. Hang it on your kitchen door or use it as a table centerpiece. You could also make your own decorative garlands using burlap and string lights. Hang it above your dining table for an enchanting look. By engaging in these DIY activities, you not only personalize your decor but also create lasting memories as you celebrate the season. As you incorporate your autumn decor, it's essential to think about the arrangement of your space. Create focal points that draw the eye and encourage conversation. For example, place a beautifully arranged centerpiece on your dining table, complemented by thoughtfully placed candles or seasonal items around it. In the kitchen, consider displaying your fall fruits in a decorative bowl on the counter or a charming wooden tray. Be mindful of the flow of your space, ensure there's room for movement and that your decor doesn't overwhelm the area. Thoughtful arrangements can elevate the overall aesthetic while making your home feel inviting and functional. Art can play a pivotal role in your home's autumn decor. Consider swapping out your regular artwork for seasonal pieces that celebrate the fall. Look for prints that feature autumn landscapes, pumpkins, or harvest scenes. If you're feeling crafty, you could even create your own autumn-themed artwork. Frame dried leaves or create a canvas with warm tones that echo the season's palette. Displaying these pieces prominently in your kitchen and dining area adds character and shows your appreciation for the season. Moreover, seasonal art can be a great conversation starter when you have guests over. As you prepare for gatherings or family meals, think about how you can set an autumn-inspired table. Start with a neutral tablecloth or runner to provide a base, then layer on your autumn decor. Use seasonal centerpieces, as we discussed earlier, and don't forget to incorporate themed place settings. You can personalize each place setting with small decorative items like mini pumpkins or handwritten name tags. Consider using wooden serving platters and rustic utensils to enhance the natural feel of your table. This thoughtful attention to detail creates an inviting dining experience, making every meal feel like a special occasion. Thank you for joining me today on Deco Diva. I hope you found inspiration in these autumn decor tips for your kitchen and dining room. As we embrace this beautiful season, remember that it's all about creating a warm and inviting atmosphere for friends and family to enjoy. If you've liked any of the ideas shared today, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more home decor tips. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to share your own autumn decorating ideas in the comments below. Let's celebrate the magic of autumn together and make our homes a reflection of this wonderful season.